So we have our cash receipts and general journal for Nicola Maria Exports. We're going to use the current year to journalize our international sales. And sales tax is not charged on these sales. So first we have July 11th, recorded an international cash sale, $12,000, M324. So our date, July 11th. Account title is just a check mark. Document number is M324. We need I guess we'll just do a check mark in the post reference, and then we will have our cash debit, $12,000, and sales credit. Then we received a 30-day time draft from Sun Chan for an international sale, $16,000, TD 31. So this one is going to go in our general journal. So our date is July 16th. Our account title will be Time Drafts Receivable. Document number TD31, and then a debit of $16,000. And then the second line will be sales and a credit of $16,000. Then July 23rd, we received cash for the value of time draft number 10, $22,000, R221. So that one goes back in our cash receipts journal. So July 23rd, time drafts receivable, document number R221 will be in the general credit, $22,000, and cash debit, $22,000. So I'll go ahead and check these. Those are all good, so we'll go to the next part. And so record the column totals in the cash receipts journal. So that will be just adding them up. So our date will be July 30th. Totals for the account title, general debit. I'm assuming they want us to just put 0 in there. $22,000 for general credit, 0 for accounts receivable credit, $12,000 for sales credit, 0 sales tax, 0 sales discount, and $34,000. So we'll check those. Oh, the 31st for the date. Otherwise, all of that looked correct.